Actually, it's a very, let's say, big question. And I'm sure that thousands of researchers are working in order to try to give an answer for it. But actually, as I foresee the AI and the machine learning significantly will transform the landscape of the mapping and the BIM technology in several keys and several ways. The first one, all the automation and the automated data processing and the analysis actually automate the processing of vast amount of data collecting. It will reduce the time required to create accurate maps and models. Second, it will enhance dramatically the accuracy and the precision. As you can see in our Datumate unique automatic georeferencing that we discuss it or describe it 2 minutes ago. So it's fully AI. So it will enhance the accuracy and the precision of the mapping. The real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance will be happened easily. All those real-time capabilities is crucial for ensuring that projects stay on schedule and within budget. Additionally, predictive maintenance powered by AI can foresee equipment failures or maintenance needs, and thereby minimizing the downtime and avoiding cost delays. It will also improve collaboration and decision-making. That's just to remember that all the stakeholders work in one place. So everyone will know about everything in real time. So it will be dramatically improving all the decision-making. And also the cost efficiency, the ability to predict and prevent issues before they occur can save significant amount of money that would otherwise be spent on corrective measures. And in that way, it will also improve the sustainability and the compliance. Finally, I will also describe the AI and the machine learning to improve the accessibility to new construction technology, can make advanced technology accessible to civil engineering who have limited time and technical skills, instead of learning complex software, which is one of the biggest challenges in our software, context software world. They can use voice. They will be able to use voice commands to interact with smart platform for generating reports and making decisions. For example, as you use your Siri in your iPhone or in Google, so all what you need to do, Siri, please compute the concrete volume needed for bridge A next month, or from time T1 to time T2, and the software will work automatically to compute it for him. So in conclusion, all the AI and the machine learning poised to revolutionize the mapping and the BIM technology by enhancing accuracy, efficiency, collaboration while reducing cost and ensuring sustainability. These technology will be crucial for construction companies aiming to stay competitive and deliver high quality project in the future.